If you want to hide photos on your iPhone using the hidden album feature, it's very easy and only takes a few seconds. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, find the photo you want to hide and tap on it. If you don't see the options, just tap the screen once. Next, tap the three dots menu in the corner and select Hide. Then tap Hide Photo to confirm. If you want to hide multiple photos at once, tap Select in the top corner. Now choose all the photos you want to hide by tapping them, or you can swipe your finger to select multiple images quickly. Once selected, tap the three dots again and choose Hide, then confirm by tapping Hide Photos. Now go to Albums and scroll down to the Utilities section, where you'll find the Hidden album. When you open it, you may be asked to enter your Face ID or passcode for security. If you want to remove this security and access hidden photos without Face ID, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Photos. Here, look for the option Use Face ID or Use Passcode and simply turn it off. Once disabled, your hidden album will open directly without authentication. That's it. This is how you hide photos and manage the hidden album on iPhone. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.